What's up everyone? It's me, your Sulichi John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. For today, we are going to do a reaction video for TNT Grand Restback contender na si Raven singing Akin Ka Na Lang. I'm so excited to check this out. We know Raven as a strong contender kahit nung mga past season na sumali siya sa TNT. Kaya naman super excited tayong i-check ang kanyang performance ng Akin Ka Na Lang by Morissette. Grabe to. So, ano pa nga ba, guys? But before proceeding, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, go. Here it is, guys. Team Alab pala siya. Pangkat Alab. Grabe. Ganda. Grabe yung styling. Oh my God, hold on guys, grabe. She's owning the song. Ang ganda ng rendition, sariling version. That's a good sign from Raven, diba? Grabe, balikan nga natin guys. Grabe yung falsetto, ang linis. And the emotion, no? I love the storytelling din and the emotion. Ooh, love that runs. Hold on guys. Alam mo para siyang sweet version ni Mariah Carey. The riffs and the runs was so smooth, and the way that she is hitting that note, that high notes, the money notes ng pag binabali niya, no? Kasi meron kasing tinatawag na in-oversing, but she's just giving the right amount and she's nailing it. Love that! The power. Effortless. Ito na. Oh, look at Augie. She gave her own flavor. Hindi niya winisel a la Morissette. She's owning the song. Grabe. And the emotion plus the facial. Ooh. Shoot. Hey! Naiiyak si Augie. Oh my God! Wait guys sorry. I'm so sorry na binibitin ko kayo, but she nailed that. That's the money note that we've been waiting for, and that part is very crucial ng song kasi parang yung climax eh. And she nailed it. It's very smooth, plus the emotion, at nakita niyo naman, Jurado Augie is teary-eyed. Let's go back to that part. Grabe yun. From yung switching. Hey! Woo! Long power. Oh! Even Miss Lani. Oh my God! Grabe ka, Raven! This is insane. Oh my gosh. Ang galing. Grabe. Oh my God. For sure siya yung nanalo sa round na to. I'm just saying. Charit. Balikan natin guys. Sobrang ganda ng part na yon. She is checking all the green boxes. Ooh, extended notes. Even Miss Lani. Diba? Woo! Raven! Oh my God! Raven here. Oh my God, standing ovation. There you have it guys. That is Raven for TNT Grand Rest Back. Oh my God, singing Akin Ka Na Lang. Ano kaya yung una niyang performance? Ngayon ako nanood ng TNT Rest Back guys. Alam ko na meron to, but you know, we're so busy. Charet. Pero grabe. Grabe yung rendition and the way that she sang it. Effortlessly but full of emotion. That riffs and runs, the extended notes, the high notes, all green check. Perfect. Perfection. Grabe. Sobrang galing. Oh my God. She is really something guys. I'm so speechless right now, but definitely nag-enjoy ako, na-excite ako lalo, at for sure, hindi ko palalagpasin ang mga susunod na performance ng TNT Grand Rest Back. Grabe. Kung meron kayong link ng mga previous performance, guys, you can comment down below para ma-check natin. Mapatunayan natin na magaling talaga to si Raven. Charet. But of course, that's our reaction for today. If you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is Shule Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.